All right, this is William from Long Island Marine Salvage. About 10 minutes ago, this got delivered, put on stands. It's a 1990 Catalina with a wing keel. It's 30 feet. The man got called overseas to work overseas. He was keeping the boat in Manhasset. And I'm parting this boat out. We do not keep these boats in this yard for a long time, so 6 months from now, the car's probably gone. Somebody just asked about the swim ladder. There's the rudder. Some nice stainless. Yeah, nice. Let's see. This is the outside of the boat. The lifelines look pretty decent. People break those stanchions. They're a pain in the neck to get off. And I have not been on this boat yet, so you get to go on the boat with me. And I know we had some nice winches on here. I know he did a lot of work to the engine. He was rekitting this boat. It's a Catalina 30. In the pictures, they had winch covers. And I don't see the winch covers. And let's see. Oh, look, it's got the straight traveler, which is kind of nice. It's got a tall rig, which is right there. There's the mast. These are Lumar 40 self-tailing winches, which those sell pretty easily. Oh, Jesus. Catalina number 7. And this, another Lumar 40. Power. It's got the Dodger. I purposely put this boat under a 100 degrees out. And it's got the boom in here. So that Anderson 28 is actually a really nice electric. This is what he used for the mainsail, I believe. The guy was really working on this boat, and he got called overseas. And as you can see, he had the shaft out. You know, look in here. This tank. What here? All right. Somebody wanted that little window, I believe. If somebody wants to buy the whole boat, they certainly can get it. And when you have a heavy-duty electric winch, you need that with it. So, what else we got in here? Somebody wanted the curtain. Make sure the curtains are all. Yeah, curtains are there, pretty nice. Curtains are there on that side. They are there. Curtains, both port and start. There's the bilge board. People lose these. There you go. What else did he leave me on here? William Clark. Stuck in there thing that needs replaced. He was replacing the through hulls, and apparently they're here somewhere on this boat. Wow, this is getting nice. Nice mirror. shelves. There's the Jabsco toilet somebody's having a problem with. And we got this bowl right in here. What's in here? Life preservers, screens for the, somebody asked about the screens. Look at that. It's good screens for the puddles. There's a little crazy going on with these. Oh, this Bomar's in good shape. Somebody asked about it. Yeah, I think it's been replaced. I believe it's a Bomar. Yeah, it is. It's the model number right there. So that's in good shape. What's we got here? Get some. Oh, look at this. He does have the canvas of the Dodger, the Bimini. Pretty good shape. Yeah, it is. He's taking care of it. And then right there. Okay. Storage. Nothing. There's all right, so anyway, that's this Catalina and the engine and transmission. Next question. Running. He's put a new alternator on it. He told me this thing ran. All the expensive work was done to this boat. I believe him. Would have been nice if he left me a couple of batteries. Probably at the marina. Right. I'm not gonna have to do all this. All right. Here's the motor. That's what it is. Where is this? It's the heat exchanger. Yeah. Oh. I don't know what he did. Something about the shaft. I've got a picture of that tranny. Is it neutral? It's in neutral. That's right. It needs to be cleaned up in there. Let's see. And we got this made in USA. Oven. It's a C word. Okay. Liquid propane. Just a propane stove. Needs a little cleaning up. And ew. Okay, they asked for bizarre parts. And apparently somebody got all the cushions off this thing, which is... Right. And I've been in here already, but I just want to look again. Okay. So that's it. And we got the breaker box. He's got his electronics on here. I think somebody's gonna really want that winch. It's probably $1,500 for that. Those things make sailing so much better. People lose their ladders. If you need a ladder for 1990 30 Catalina, there one is. And let me just see.